Welcome to Corporals Corner. Today I want to give a few shout outs to some outstanding channels, so stick around. Checking my stats, I'm roughly around 78,000 and change as far as subscribers go. And let's be honest, I only have that many, and let's back up, that's small potatoes compared to what's out there. But I only have that many because of you all, the subscribers. You're sharing my videos, you're sharing my channel, and I appreciate that. So I'm very grateful and thankful for you all. And I'll do my best to keep answering your questions and be out there doing what I do. Now with that said, that's been about a 7-year journey. And that's around 10,000 a year, 10,000 and change a year for 7 years. And again, that's small potatoes. We got some people that can go out, throw up a camping video, and they got 5,000 views in the first 5 minutes, and 50,000 in an hour, and 500,000 by the end of the week. So that affords them to do that full time. And if I had it my way, I'd be doing the same thing. But I have to crawl before I walk. Some people can hit the ground running. I can't. But during that 7-year journey, I've emailed several high-end channels. And high-end at that time, 7 years ago, they're well beyond that now. And I've asked them, hey, what's the method to the madness? Can you give me a channel critique? Or what type of magic are you using to boost your subscribers and views? And to be honest, of the 10 or 12 that I've emailed, I've received no responses or bad responses. They're tight-lipped, they're not giving up any secrets, and they don't even want to go down that road. However, 2 of those 12 have helped me along my journey. They've reposted my videos, they've allowed me to post videos on their Facebook pages, they've even shared my videos on Twitter, and one of them is Dave Canterbury. And the other one is Survival Lily. So to both those individuals, I want to say thank you. I am grateful, thankful, and I appreciate everything you've done for me. You've helped propel my channel in the right direction and given me something to strive for or shoot for with my own channel. And I really appreciate that. Now, along that same line of helping somebody out, looking at my channel again, I have 78,000 and change, and that's small time. However, there's a lot of instructors that I teach with and friends of mine who are former instructors that, in my opinion, have channels that are better than mine, surpass mine. However, they have less subscribers and less views than I do. It's like they're not being heard. So today what I want to do is I want to go ahead and mention these channels and show you some examples of videos they have on their pages. If you like what you see, I ask that you go to their channel and subscribe and check out what they have. Let's go ahead and get started. I'll go ahead and read through these, no particular order. The top of my list, we have Cold Cracker Bushcraft, Surefoot Survival, Black Hat Bushcraft, Campcraft Outdoors, Larry Roberts, Scotty Kinder, BSA Bushcraft, Brian Hopkins, Snowwalker 13, East Woodland Survival, Woodsman School and Guide Service, The Hidden Woodsman, and last but not least, the Arizona Bushman. Now, in my opinion, these individuals and their channels offer their own unique perspective. They bring something special to the game or to the community. In my opinion, they need to be heard. Welcome back. These channels are outstanding. Do me a favor, pull the trigger on the subscribe button, drop them a note, tell them I told you to stop by, like their videos, spread them around, and share the wealth. Once again, to all of you that have supported me, either through comments, emails, sharing my videos, sharing my channel, I appreciate it. Hopefully this year I'll hit the 100,000. I'm gonna keep making videos and just keep rocking and rolling. Thank you for your comments, views, support. Thanks for watching. Get out in the field, have some fun. I'm gonna catch you next time.